Hi everyone, I'm Elle, and today I wanted to do a first impression of the Nice BB from Louis Vuitton. And if you want to kind of see what I have packed in here and hear my first impressions of it, keep watching. So I purchased this in August 2022, and right now it's April 2023. So I've had it for a while now, so it's kind of a little bit longer than I would usually do a first impression. But yes, I've had this for a while now and I've been using it, and I wanted to kind of tell you how or my thoughts on it. So first thought is that I think that it's really cute. I mean, I probably wouldn't have bought it if I didn't think it was cute. I like how it has the handle here. Let's take a look at my handle. I know that it's vachetta, and I am always nervous with vachetta, even though I shouldn't be, especially, and I think that because I got it in like a toiletry bag and it had vachetta on it, I think I was a little extra careful with it, but at least in the beginning. But right now I don't really, I'm not too concerned about it. I mean, I honestly don't keep it where I know it's gonna get splashed at. Like, my partner is very messy in the bathroom and he splashes a lot, and I am always scared that he's going to get this guy all marked up. So I will generally like open it up and keep the flap open when we're traveling. That might be a little bit of an overkill, but I don't know. I just want it to be evenly patinaed. And so here's what it looks like right now. And the top and the bottom. Yeah, so looks pretty good. And I definitely, when I bought this, I knew I didn't need it or anything, but I think I bought it because it's just so cute. And this guy is really big. Like, I'm used to having a smaller toiletry bag, or at least like I usually have two toiletry bags, like one with makeup and then one with my actual toiletries. So it was pretty different of me to get this really big one. But I want to let you know that for the first, I want to say, month or two, I was afraid to use this, and I kind of kept it in a dust bag because I don't know, it's just so cute and I just didn't want to mess it up, which is pretty dumb for a toiletry bag. But I don't know, that's just what I did. And I was using my other toiletry bags, and then I think I went on a longer trip that was longer than a week, and I ended up taking this with me, and that's when I discovered that I really like it. And then let me just show you kind of how I pack it. I use this daily in my bathroom, close to my sink, where I usually get ready in the morning. And I keep it open, and it has all my makeup. I am not a big, I'm not a big makeup girl. Like, I don't have a lot of makeup. I mean, I have my like daily favorites, and I keep it all in here. But this is packed, I'm going on a trip, so this is packed for like a weekend trip with all my toiletries. I think all that's missing in here is like my hair products, which is not much, but let me show you. All right, this is how I have it packed. I have a organizer in here that I got on Amazon. I'll try to figure out what the brand is, but this is how I pack it. Don't judge for what's in here, because this is like everyday, not YouTube ready, but this is what I have in here. And it has, let me just pop out, let's see, I haven't taken this out since I got it. Okay, cool. All right, let's look at the inside, just the toiletry bag. So it is very clean, probably because I had that that organizer in it this whole time. It has two pockets here, so here and here, two very flat pockets, and then there's one here, and it's pretty big but also very flat, so it's very flushed against the sides here, and has a pocket here. Okay, that's how much I bought it for in Hawaii in 2022. So honestly, pretty expensive for a toiletry bag. I was probably kind of tipsy when I bought this, but yeah. And I always knew that I wanted to add this. I just didn't know if I needed it. I know need is like, I definitely don't need this, but I didn't know if I wanted to actually add it to my collection. Ooh, the zipper is really nice. But okay, this is a con of mine. I think it's annoying how I have to put my hands on it to close it. That just might be, see, you have to like move it around a lot to close this. I mean, the zipper is fine. I think it's just the shape of it that's kind of annoying because you have to go through like corners to get it unzipped, but maybe that's just me being picky, but I don't know. That's kind of annoying if you're like a no fuss kind of person. But there we go. And then this is how I pack it. I have the Zumoni, I think it is. Oh, yep, it's Zumoni. I bought it through Amazon. And it fits perfectly in here. I honestly wish I got a darker color because it shows some makeup stains here, but you know, I'm the only one seeing it, so it's fine. And this is how I pack it. I don't know, should I go through this? I have my skincare products and makeup remover. I have my sunscreen. Oh, this sunscreen is really good, guys. Like, if you like the Supergoop sunscreen, the Trader Joe's ones is a pretty good dupe for it, and it's a lot cheaper. But anyways, I'm not a makeup person. Like, don't ask me any questions about makeup. I just kind of have what's easy for me. But anyways, yep, I have my daily makeup in here, probably a little extra than that, tampons, and in case, you know, accidents. I have band-aids. I have floss in this really cute Hello Kitty zippy, and I have I just sit all my extra stuff on top of here, and then I organize it here. So the big compartment has like my compacts, like my eyeshadows, blush, powders, stuff like that, and then I put my brushes on top, and I put the bigger guys up here, and then I have like, this is generally my face stuff. And then I have like eye products, and I have lip products here. And then I have an extra little mirror here from Sephora. And I think I have hair ties in here too. Yep, I have hair ties and hair clips. So yeah, this is just kind of like exactly how I pack it when I'm going like on a weekend trip. And I think that this this is really good for that. I'm really liking it a lot. Now, do I think you need it? I would say if you like the aesthetic of it and you want to spend like $1,000 on a toiletry bag, then go ahead, because I know that some people, you know, you like what you like, and I understand that completely. And I mean, I'm happy that I got it, but did I need it? No, not really. I did not need to buy this. I'll show you what I was using before that I think is a really good alternative. Actually, let me see how much it costs. Right, I just checked the website, and this is $1,290. That is pretty expensive for a toiletry bag. My mom thinks that I'm totally crazy for spending that much money on it. I mean, I spent like a little bit less because I bought it in Hawaii, so it was like, what did I say it was? 1,170. So it's a little tiny bit of a savings, but I mean, if you can afford to buy it, I think it's a really nice piece to have in your collection. It looks super, super cute on my vanity, and it looks, you know, I feel like toiletry bags are really like a very extra luxurious thing for yourself. You know how for purses, everybody can see your purse, but not everybody sees your toiletry bag, if that makes any sense. So if you just want that little like luxurious feeling, I think toiletry bags are really fun to have, and I think it's really cute, and I know that I'm going to use this for like my whole entire life, which is why that was me kind of justifying my purchase there. But I think a great alternative for this is the Truce. So I don't think they sell this anymore, but I bought this on Fashion File years ago, like when I first started getting into luxury, and I love how it was already, okay, this is very dirty, so don't judge for that, but I love how compact it is, and it's so easy to open. Like, this is way easier than like this whole thing, you know. This can definitely hold more. This would carry my like my shampoos, my skincare products, my things that or this is how I've been using it, is like shampoos, skincare products, anything that could spill I would put in here, because I didn't really care about this getting dirty. Like, it also has that wipeable interior. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned that this has the wipeable interior, which is super nice. I love that about the toiletry bags, because I don't worry about things getting too dirty because you can always wipe it off. So because this already had like a used, broken in feeling to it, I wasn't afraid to use it in the way that I'm afraid to use this. I don't know if everybody feels the same way that I do, but sometimes when I get something that's really, really pretty and pristine, I want to keep it pretty and pristine, so I don't use it as much as I probably should. So when I got this, I did not have that hump to get over where I had to like baby it a little bit. I just threw everything in here and didn't care. And I think that when you're traveling is kind of what you want. When I'm not traveling, or before I had this, when I wasn't traveling, I would have all my makeup in here, and it's a good size for that. So and then, you know, you can keep it open where you can see everything at a glance, and it's not like super thin. So I think that this is a great alternative to a toiletry bag straight from the store. So I think this is the true, I want to say it's the 28 or 23. I think they have those two sizes, but I think you can get these on Fashion File for around $500, probably even less. So just find one that you think is in acceptable condition for you, clean it off, and you know, you can just use it right away. And it's much, much, much cheaper than this guy, and it still has, like, you know, the luxurious feel to it. Other alternatives would be the toiletry 26. I always forget what sizes or the numbers of these, and then I have the smaller one. This one is nice for packing because it's thin, but I don't think it can carry all my things, so which is why you need, or which is I personally would need like a second one, or like, and not even like, it doesn't even have to be Louis Vuitton, but like another bag to carry, like one to carry my makeup and one to carry my toiletries. That's just how I pack. I don't know how, if everybody is the same way as me, but yes, I went on a tangent comparing these. But so in summary, I recommend this if you have the money to, if you can afford it and you want to, if you choose to spend your money on that, like, I think it's a great choice. But I think that if you are looking for an alternative and you're kind of on the fence about this, I think you should go with like a little cheaper alternative, if that makes any sense. It's very wishy-washy. But would I buy this again? Probably, because I like completing sets and yeah. But do you need it? No. But if you have any questions, let me know, and thanks for watching. Bye.